So today, I'm going to be planting Maui gold pineapples. You heard me, Maui gold pineapples. So we ordered Maui gold pineapples to be sent to our home for Thanksgiving to support the company, right? Mainly because they hire a lot of indigenous peoples, and it's one of the largest companies around that part of Maui, guys. So what we did as a family for Thanksgiving, we ordered 6 pineapples. They were amazing. Best pineapples I've ever had in my life. My father, when we capped them, we took the top off, my dad rooted those. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to plant Maui gold pineapples so you can have pineapples at home. You might be wondering, why am I planting in the obvious evening? Well, a couple of reasons. We're in a heat advisory in Southeast Louisiana, folks. And when you transplant at night, you're giving your plant 8 to 12 hours to adjust to being out of a pot and into the soil before the heat and the humidity hit it. It's always best to transplant in the evening. I have my work glasses on because I don't want to get manure on my good glasses. So excuse them as they slip down my face, folks. Another thing, yes, I'm planting in the evening, but I picked a place in my garden that gets 8 to 10 hours direct sunlight. I also picked a place that has had heavy mulch to protect these new roots as they root in for the summer. It's going to be 2 years before this plant produces. So it is a perennial, not an annual, okay? Also, the good thing is I'm gonna put them all together in one spot where I can create a greenhouse over them in the winter, because here in Southeast Louisiana, our winters are not that bad, but we do get a couple of weeks where we drop below 0. So I will need to be able to cover the pineapples during that period of time to keep them safe. All right, folks, the first thing you're gonna do is what I call wallowing a hole. All right, I am no dig, no till, but you still have to put a hole when you're gonna plant a plant. Now, as you can see, this is clay soil. Look at this, look at that. But look how it's changing. Look how it's amending. Next thing, I've got rabbit manure, worm casting mixture. Take that straight in the hole, folks. What you're seeing moving around is called black soldier fly larvae. They're not gonna hurt anything. All right, next thing is to get our plant. All right, small hole, small plant. Now, I wanna show you something, how shallow the roots are on a pineapple plant. Look how beautiful this plant is. But look, we still haven't actually hit roots. Look at that. Look at the roots. See it? How shallow? All right, so you just press it down and you just cover it back up really well, guys. So you're gonna fill that hole with rabbit manure, worm castings, and then you're just gonna really press it down good and tight like this, okay? So the plant is secure. Now, we're gonna water that really well. Let that settle. And then we're gonna press again, folks. We're gonna press again, okay? Look at the sweat. Look at the sweat. This is how humid Louisiana is. It's a no choke out here. There's been a heat advisory. Today is the second day. My husband went back to work to cut grass tonight so that he could come home early tomorrow during the worst of the day. Folks, we are going back to Maui, August 1st through the 11th. Please row in our boat. Please be part of the row team that gets us across the Pacific, folks. We want to hand out thousands of dollars to the fire victims. We want to do what no nonprofit and no individuals have actually done, which is no strings attached. Here's your money. Do what you think you need to do, because guess what? You're an adult and nobody deserves to tell you how to spend what little bit of money we get to give you. So that's it, folks. It's legitimately that easy to plant pineapple. And you want to get the Maui Gold. They're super sweet. They actually have bred them for that sweetness, folks. Guys, if you'd like to support our trip back to Maui, we would be so thankful. In the top of comments, I'm going to put links. You can actually click that blue link and it'll take you directly to whatever fundraising platform you would prefer. You can also mail a check, cash, or money orders. You simply write it out to Stephen Starkey or Starkey Farmstead, because I have a business account. God bless you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You know anybody trying to plant some pineapple? You know what to do.